Assalamualaikum my dear student, how are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIBS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for the student of Junior 1 class, and our today's topic is missing word. Student, look at the board. Our today's topic is missing letters. And our lecture number is 18. Again I am saying topic is missing letters and lecture number is 18. So student, let's start our today's topic. Our today's topic is missing letters. Number 1, U dash BRELLA. What is the word here? Here is umbrella. Umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. Number 2, S dash ISTER. And what is the word here? Here is CSI. Here is the I. Our answer is I. SISTER, sister. And number 3, F dash CE. What is the answer here? FACE, face. FACE, face. So our answer is A. Number 4, MONK dash Y. What is the answer? Our answer is KEY, monkey. MONKEY, monkey. Number 5, FI dash GER. What is the word here? N, good. N, finger. FINGER, finger. Number 6, PAR dash OT. What is the answer? R, good. Parrot, R. PARROT, parrot. Number 7, BLAC. What is the answer here? Yes, K, black. Black. BLACK, black. Number 8, TUL dash P. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, I, tulip. TULIP, tulip. Number 9, CLO dash K. What will be the word here? C, clock. CLOCK, clock. Number 10 is ST dash R. A, yes, the answer is A, star. So first one is umbrella, second sister, third face, 4 monkey, 5 finger, 6 parrot, 7 black, 8 tulip, 9 clock, 10 register. Okay student, so student, you have understood today's topic. So keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay home safely. See you again inshallah.